Patrick with ESEE Knives, Randall's Adventure Training, here with my good friend Ruben at SHOT Show 2019. We're going to go over our new products.
This is from our good friend James Gibson. It's been a long time coming, and finally got a sheath for it, 1/4 inch, black oxide coating, his signature kind of scales that he likes to do, and it's just a really good carving edge, great balance. It's going to be good for a lot of things. This other offering is a pinch. You pull it down, nothing happens, just give it a little twist, and it comes apart. So that's something that people have been looking forward to. We're pretty happy about that.
Also, JG5, another one of James Gibson's design, has his classic look on the scales, more of a Nessmuk style, 1/8 of an inch thick, 1095 high carbon steel, black oxide tumble finish with a full flat grind. Something else we came out with, we do a lot of rope rescue classes, rappelling and stuff. And a lot of times we'll need a certain size wrench for tightening a bolt for an anchor or something like that. So Jeff designed this and made a prototype. We've been playing around with it, and these are coming out in stainless and also titanium. Also, we've got orange G10 scales for the CR 2.5. A lot of guys really were happy with the way it was, but we're asking for brighter colored scales. So if you're cleaning fish, bird, animal, something like that, and you lay it down, it's going to be easy to find. You're going to have to find it.